Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts to Canva so you can easily publish and manage your content from one place. This integration helps streamline your workflow and save time. On the Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click the three dots on the left side of the dashboard. Then we click on Apps. In the search bar, we search for Facebook. When we find it, we click on Facebook. From here, we can choose to use an existing design or create a new one. We can also set a custom size for the design. Just pick the size that works for you. As we work on the design, Canva will prompt us to connect Facebook. We just need to wait a moment. Once it's ready, we click Connect and enter our account details. Then we wait for confirmation. The same process applies to Instagram. We go back to Apps and choose Instagram the same way. Search for Instagram and click on it. We then open a new design, like a whiteboard, and connect Instagram from there. Just wait for it to load. We click Connect again, and that's all it takes to connect both Facebook and Instagram to Canva. Now we can design and share our content more efficiently across our social media platforms.